Okay, guys, now in example number 6, it says a little something different here. It says rewrite it. That means we need to change the numerator as well. We're not just finding the least common denominator, but once we find it, we have to show how it changes the numerator also. So I need to do the same thing. I need to just factor the denominator for each one. This is going to be x minus 4 times x minus 4 because minus 4 times minus 4 gives me positive 16. And minus 4 plus minus 4 gives me negative 8. All right, so that is that denominator factored. And then let's do the second fraction. We're going to get x's in the front minus 3 minus 4 because negative 3 times negative 4 gives me positive 12, and negative 3 plus negative 4 gives me negative 7. All right, now I need to be able to make both of these denominators from the least common denominator. So for the first fraction, I need to get that denominator, I need an x minus 4 and an x minus 4. Okay? Now for the second fraction, you'll see I need an x minus 4, but I've already got one. And I also need an x minus 3. Okay? Now, what we need to do is, this is the common denominator. Okay? I can make both of these denominators from this LCD. Okay? But which of these binomials was added to this denominator? Well, you can see it's x minus 3. That means I need to multiply the top by x minus 3 because I multiplied the bottom by x minus 3. Now, how did this denominator change? Well, I multiplied it by another x minus 4. So that means I need to multiply the top by x minus 4. Okay? So it said to rewrite these fractions, I'm going to get 9 times x minus 3 over x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 3. And then the other fraction, it also has that denominator, x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 3. But what changed was this, there's an extra x minus 4 down there, so it needs to be 5 times x minus 4. So those are the two new fractions. Now, I could distribute that numerator because we're going to want to do that in section number 5 because we're going to be adding and subtracting these things. That's why we're trying to find the common denominator, because we have to have a common denominator to add or subtract fractions. All right? Great job, guys, and good luck with your homework, and I will see you at the next section. Excellent.